With Mi-8 you can create displays for cameras, which can be used for functional flir, guided munitions, coffins, and more. There are two types, one-to-one and one-to-many. One-to-one refers to screens which are only associated to a single camera. This is the simplest type of link and the easiest one to set up. And one-to-many refers to a screen that can have multiple cameras and it can switch between those cameras. First, I recommend setting up a display. Grab a cube, or fuselage, or my dedicated screen part, and place it somewhere. And using the patented Mi-8 colon feature, use the following format displayed on screen. First, display to clarify it's a display, followed by the ID. This can be anything as long as it's unique. Then the resolution, starting with width, followed by a comma, and then height. It's worth noting you should bring your own lighting, so I would recommend putting a spotlight and facing it towards the screen. Next up, the camera. Similar to the display, you have to clarify it's a camera, followed by the ID, which will be the same as the display. After this is the clip distance. This refers to the ranges that the camera will render. Then the vertical field of view in degrees, and finally the filter from the list on the screen. Assuming you have all your arguments in compass for both of those parts, it should work fine in game. If your display is rotated, try rotating the display part. One-to-many on the other hand gets a bit more advanced, requiring a custom input to control. For displays and cameras, the syntax remains the same. The only change is how IDs are managed. I recommend setting a generic ID, such as external camera which has no numbers. And then set this generic ID as the display's ID. Now, you want to set up a custom input, like a step input, with the name of your ID followed by master. This master input's value will tell us which camera the user wants to view. The system works by looking for the camera with the ID of the input in addition to the value of the input. So in our case, I want my cameras to be set up as external camera 1, external camera 2, and external camera 3. This means if I change the input's value to 2, the display that is using the generic ID of external camera will look for external camera 2. These cameras can be turned off by setting the value to 0, which will stop them from rendering more, and turn off their respective filter. In the future this will darken the screen, and as it's a custom input, LAMP can interact with it. As always, thank you for watching the video. Do not hesitate to ping or DM me on Discord. I will be able to respond to any questions that you have, or take any ideas if you have any.